In a significant legal decision yesterday, the Romanian court has denied Andrew and Tristan Tate permission to leave the country, adding another blockage in their ongoing legal battles. The controversial internet personalities, known for their involvement in the misogynistic red pill community, now face further restrictions as their court case continues to unfold within Romania's judicial system. So let's talk about how all of this got started. So on July the 5th, I do believe this was on July the 5th. There we go. July the 5th, Andrew Tate tweeted, "I am free. For the first time in 3 years, I can leave Romania. The sham case is falling apart." And then he uploaded this video to go with it. Let's look at it and laugh together, shall we? Here we go.
So I just had to stop sparring as I've got some interesting news. For the first time in nearly 3 years, the judges decided I can leave Romania. Everyone knows this case against me is a sham. The process is the punishment. In the end, I'll be innocent, and they've tried to punish me with the process. But now my judge has decided after 3 years, I'm allowed to leave Romania. So do we take the SF-90 to Italy? Do we take the MC-20 to Cannes? Do we take the 812 competition to Paris? Where do I go? I can go anywhere I want. Perhaps I should do a daddy tour. You know, it's like divine intervention. Kind of crazy. Every other crypto coin tanks. Daddy is the only one that survives. Now I'm free to do a tour around the world. A daddy tour. Tokyo, Dubai, Miami, Geneva, London. I might do it all by car. You ever driven to Tokyo? No. I'm built different. Built different. Bruv! Which am I going to see? I've got so much work to do. So I'm going to pack a bag, I'm going to plan a daddy tour, I'm going to plan the release of the Real World White Paper, the release of the podcast with that little crypto dork's going to come out, I'm going to get in one of my cars, I'm going to drive to the Italian Alps, I'm going to get 1, 2, and 3. Bruv! Built different.
Let's see if he's still going to have that same energy when all of this is over. So let's go back to his lawyer. And his lawyer actually did the same tweet the same day, quote tweeted the same video. And this is what his lawyer said. "Dear Tate-hating communist NPCs, the Romanian criminal case continues to crumble because it is built upon lies. Consequently, Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate are no longer confined to Romania and will soon drive their Bugattis down a street near you." And then, of course, Candace Owens, all right, had to chime in. All right, this woman hates children. She hates women. Of course, she's going to defend a pimp like Andrew Tate and a PDF file like Tristan. But then again, Andrew Tate is also a PDF file. So anyway, she says, "Congratulations to Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate for being awarded their freedom to leave Romania, having been one of the few to actually look into the case against them in Romania. I maintain that it was an unjust prosecution. Your personal feelings do not alter the facts." What a dumb thing to say. This heifer hates facts. She's the first to say facts don't care about your feelings, but when facts hurt her feelings, she shuts it down. She's quiet or she runs away like a coward. And then we got the clowns at Valuetainment Media. They posted a picture of Andrew and Tristan Tate laughing in the back of a car, and they say, "Just in, court rules Andrew Tate can travel outside Romania." And of course, Jake Shields, who's gay, I wish he comes out of the closet. How many more pictures have to come out on Twitter with him and his secret lover, who's a guy, by the way? Anyway, for years I was attacked for defending Andrew and Tristan Tate. Today, the Romanian court finally admitted that they have very little legal case. That didn't happen. Talking about making stuff up. It's reasonable to question the morals of the case, but it was clear from the beginning that no laws were broken. Okay, lies. By the way, he's quiet today. I just want you to know. And of course, we have Pearl, a woman who never met a black man. She didn't want to move into her luxury apartment or her family's mansion. She pops off on Twitter trying to be funny by saying, "I want to congratulate Andrew Tate for finally being able to be herself. Romania is T-phobic for continuing to persecute an innocent woman." The sexism. So corny, I swear. And then, of course, we got Jackson Hinkle, Mr. Grifter himself, just basically piggybacking off of Andrew Tate's original tweet. And then, of course, another grifter, Mario. I'm not even going to read all this. You can see for yourself. And then we have Solomon Ahmed. This clown is something else. Breaking: Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate win their appeal and are allowed to leave Romania and travel all of Europe. Huge win for Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate. You mean a big old L on both of their foreheads. L here, L, and then L. And of course, these clowns sitting here dancing. Look at this. People are just like celebrating. Yay, we beat the Matrix, we beat the Matrix, we beat the Matrix. Again, sausage fest. Do the Tates really want to leave? Or unless they want to basically visit more men. I'm not sure, okay? All right, Tate brothers right now knowing they can leave Romania. And I want you to understand, they don't have this energy today. So let's start off with the bad news for Andrew and Tristan Tate. Now, these are not all of my favorites when it comes to breaking news in reference to Andrew and Tristan Tate, but they are up in the top 5. So here we have Milk Bar TV, who's quote tweeting. I forget, who is this right here? I think this is the journalist who's in Bucharest, Romania. And he says, #breaking, following an appeal by Tate, a high court decided this afternoon in Bucharest that the Tate brothers cannot leave Romania. The decision is final. Ooh, hate it for you. Then Milk Bar TV quote tweeted that tweet and said, breaking: the decision to allow the Tate brothers outside of Romania has been successfully appealed by Tate. They are not allowed to leave Romania. And of course, next we have Murdered by Crayons. Let me tell you something. When I saw everybody on the Tate side celebrating Andrew and Tristan Tate being able to leave because they said, oh, the case got dropped. Now they can leave and enjoy the rest of their lives. Murdered by Crayons was the first account I went to get the truth. And I want you all to keep that in mind. If you see Andrew Tate say something about his case, or you see Tristan say something about their case, go to Murdered by Crayons because he always have the truth. So I went to his account first, and that's when he had said, no, they can't leave because Tate had appealed it, and we should know the answer real soon. Not only that, though, but they're not allowed to leave Romania unless they got special permission. And this is what Murdered by Crayons said. Breaking Tate news. Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate lost their appeal and cannot leave Romania. Their next preventive measure review is in 60 days. So I want you all to be sure to go check out his account. He's always up. He's one of the several people who's always up on the news when it comes to Andrew Tate, and I'm going to put him at number 1. All right, and next we have my buddy AP, okay, getting some dig in. Now, I'm going to explain this tweet before I read it. So when Andrew Tate posted this tweet, right, everybody said, see, they don't have any case. He's innocent. He innocent. That's the reason why he can leave Romania is because he's innocent. They got no case. So therefore, you guys are haters. And then this is what AP said yesterday when the news came out that Tristan and Andrew cannot leave Romania. All the Andrew Tate fanboys were acting like the Tates were proven innocent because they could not leave Romania. The decision has been reversed and they are once again confined to Romania. So does this prove that they are guilty? Oh my God, he is something else. And last but not least, Agent Attervid. He basically has, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is to this tweet. Okay, so this tweet right here says, usually the Tates are very quick to comment on judges' decisions in their case via Twitter. No comment from either of them yet. I predict they'll pretend none of this ever happened. Then he quote tweets this and basically says this: the Tates still have nothing nothing to say about today's major ruling despite shouting from the rooftops that they were free a couple of weeks ago when the overturned decision was made. Tate tactic. If it doesn't help their narrative, it doesn't exist. These are facts. So, what happened today when the news broke out? Well, let me just tell you, Andrew Tate really didn't break the news at all. Instead, he tweeted this an hour after the news broke out that DCOT won their appeal and they are not allowed to leave Romania under any circumstances. He says, "Would you rather an entire month traveling the world, all expenses paid, hotels, flights, restaurants, etc., or 1 month on house arrest with the war room soldiers, sparring, training, fighting the Matrix?" And then he got this sausage fest full of men sitting at the Woo, the cope. Now remember, Andrew Tate was like, I'm free. I get to travel. Oh, let me see what one of my cars I'm going to drive. Oh my God, I can go to Italy. I can go to France. I can go to Spain. I can go to Tokyo. Have you ever drove to Tokyo? Blah, 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 blah. And now the tune has changed. Once it was discovered, he is not allowed to go anywhere. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Andrew Tate is banned from leaving Romania, and you love to see it, don't you? I know I do. Let me know what you think about all of this in the comments below. I want you to know that Tristan and Andrew Tate did not celebrate or did not mention anything about the court ruling. They didn't say anything about them being denied. They just kept quiet, and they did it on purpose because they know that their fans, their blind, fatherless fans, will not find out if he or his brother doesn't inform them. And this is Tree from treeoflogic.com. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and let me know what you think by leaving a comment below this video. I would love to hear from you, except if you are a Dusty. I don't care what Dusties have to say. You will be blocked. Later, taters.